Buhay na buhay ang mag-aaral sa morning na tingog na paliguan. Bayang makiling, kailan sa sinalaman, parang na puso sa ibig mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuwing dalang makiling, sa manlulupi, di ka matigil. Ang magandang tulog sa sila, ang dami kong mahal. Ang ilang tumamatalo sa paglaking minamahal. Ang nagulwat na ako'y nagumpayanin. Ang ituwing masalang niya ay nang paway matigil. Lupa na parang ay pagkita, buhay na langit na bigmo.
Morning is now approaching. Let us awaken to the dawn of the new day with God as our constant guide. May He grant us wisdom in our decisions, courage to rise from our mistakes, devotion to our duties, and readiness to share and cooperate for the good of our families, our communities. May He spark in us a love for the truth, respect for one another, and an urgency to serve. May He preserve us from false pride and selfish words, and help us to live in peace with one another as brothers. This is DWNX FM and AM, a commercial radio station owned and operated by Radio Mindanao Network Incorporated as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission. DWNX FM and AM operates from 4 o'clock in the morning to 12 midnight on 91.1 megahertz with a power of 10,000 watts or an ERP of 32,000 watts and on 1296 kilohertz with a power of 1,000 watts. Our studios and transmitters are located at Zone 6, Barangay de Rosario, Milaor, Camarines Sur. DWNX FM and AM is maintained and operated by DWNX personnel duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and National Telecommunications Commission. Electronics and Communications Engineer Dominador and Abogado Jr. with license number 0006941. First Class Radio Telephone Operators Eduardo S. Espiritu with license number 92-1 PNCR-63. Reynaldo M. Gomez with license number 94-1PV-11185 and Ferdinand B. Fausto with license number 96-1PV-15923. Radyo Nationwide, DWNX 91.1 FM and 1296 AM. Now, signing off.
Istasyon ng radyo nationwide. Mahigit sa 1,000 mga news anchors, commentators at DJs nationwide. Mahigit sa 5,000 mga reporters at correspondents nationwide. Buong araw na naglilingkod nationwide. Balita at komentaryong dapat niyong malaman. Serbisyo publikong may aksyon agad. RMN. Radyo mo nationwide. Ang numero 1 news and public service network sa buong Pilipinas. Yan ang tatak RMN. WNX 91.1. Tatak RMN. Radyo mo nationwide.
Mga kasama nagantabay po kamo sa RMN DWNX FM 91.1 MHz, RMN NX AM 1296 kHz. Live po kita sa Facebook, naka-streaming. Ang satuyang oras mo yan, 4 minutos antes mag alas 4. Ang tabayanan, ang satuyang pang-Miyerkules na edisyon ng programang Morning Na, Tindog Na, oras lamang.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na ang ka-bloom sa bango ang damit. Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Ang inis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget. Susulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya na optimized para sa cooking power times 2. You'll shea butter and tea tree oil. White Rose Papaya. Cooking sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality. Hi, this is me, Reveal. Why I can smile? Every day I give thanks. Every day I leave everything in God's care. Every day Jesus makes me happy. Rest your heart in the Lord. He will keep and protect you. All who trust in you. All his thoughts are fixed on you. Isaiah 26:3. And the new reveal, Jesus is alive. Again, celebrate Jesus.
Gumugunita kay Jesus sa araw-araw kasama ang bawat minuto ng iyong buhay, ikaw ay inaatake millions of bacteria, virus, at parasite ang gustong manitirahan ang iyong katawan. Kaya bumili ang trabaho ng ating immune system para labanan ang mga invaders na pumapasok sa ating katawan para maiwasan ang kamatayan. Kaya huwag mo hayaan humina ang iyong immune system. Uminom ng Santon Plus Herbal Capsule. Ito ay may taglay na vitamins, mineral, phytonutrients at immune stimulant properties na tumutulong mapanatiling malakas ang ating immune system para maiwasan ang karamdaman. Santon Plus Herbal Capsule, garantisado at epektibo.
Ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule makukuha sa Menard Generic Drug, Darian Pharmacy, AMS Butika Oriental, Jerox Pharmaceutica, Trucer Pharmaceutica, Johan Luz Pharmacy, Nopper Pharmacy, Farmacia Uli, South Star Drug, The Generics Pharmacy, CVS Pharmacy, Butikang Pinoy, Eccentric Choice Pharma, at in Osnick Pharmacy sa Naga City.
Si Mami at si Washing Machine believe sa fried washing machine detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mami!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang fried washing machine detergent. May triple stay-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumikman siya. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon. All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Kapsula hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. Para di madali masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang. Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain. Dahil ang unique toothpaste may Max Protect formula. Ngipin ay mas talaga. Mas protektado pa. Help stop cavities even before they start. But keep it wet fresh with regular use. Unique toothpaste for brushing.
sikat po. Bilang isang broadcast journalist, nakasanayan ko maging mapanuri. Kahit na sa food supplement ko, bilib ako sa MX3 dahil ito ay tested and proven na may alpha, beta at gamma mangosteen. Bukod dyan, cholesterol and fat free that goes well with my healthy diet and workout. May seal of quality excellence at gawa sa ISO at GMP certified planta. MX3, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be MX Ordinary with MX3.
Tulog ka pa rin ba? Oras na. Morning na. Tingin na. Simulan ang umaga ng may tapang, may kaalaman at may paninindigan. Alamin ang mga mahahalagang balitang naganap sa nagdaang mga oras. Samahan ng boses na nanggigising sa inyong umaga. Radyoman Elmer Abad. Dito sa Morning na. Morning na. Tindog na. Tindog na. Alas 4 hanggang alas 5 ng umaga.
Buhay na buhay ang baga sa morning na, tindog na.
Paliguan.
Morning na, tindog na. Morning na, tindog na. Morning na, sismama.
Yeah!